Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is NURHAKIM bin NAZRI. I'm from section 11. My matric number is B13231068.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad AIMAN bin MUSTHAMI SYAHMI. My matrix number B13231069.
Assalamualaikum, my name Muhammad SYAHMI bin Muhammad YURI. My matric number is B13231059. I'm from section 2/1.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad ALIF HAIKAL bin SARUDIN. I'm from Bmka, section 1. My matric number is B1323100027.
Firstly, press the spring using screwdriver to pull out the spring. Then loosen all the screw on the master pump. Next, we assemble brake fluid reservoir. Then we remove the filter in the reservoir to see the condition in that reservoir. This is the condition inside the cylinder body. This is all the part that we disassemble to do the inspection and see the condition of every part. Lastly, we assemble all the part of master pump by putting the reservoir tank on the cylinder and we screw all the part. Then we put the piston inside the cylinder body and screw the piston screw lock. Then we do the measurement to check the length of push rod.
Okay, this is a master cylinder part name. Number 1, cylinder. Number 2, double active valve. Number 3, primary rubber. Number 4, piston. Number 5, secondary rubber. And next, the dust cover is servo, fluid outlet port, push rod, chamber, equalization hole, chamber, returning spring, and last O-ring.
Alright, for the result, the part name number 1 is diagram. The condition diagram is no tear and flexible. Number 2, brake booster, functional and no leaks. Number 3, O-ring. The condition is good and no deformation. Number 4, the primary and secondary piston. The condition is stretch and cord. The last, inner surface of master cylinder. The condition is rusted pit and first surface.
Discussion question number 1. Based on your finding, what is the effect of the push rod end length on brake? The push rod end length affect how well the brake system works. If the push rod is too short, the brake pedal will feel soft and the braking power will be weak because not enough force is transferred. However, if the push rod is too long, the brake might stay slightly engaged even when not pressing the pedal, causing increased brake wear and overheating. Therefore, the push rod and length must be correctly adjusted for proper brake performance. Question number 2. Name the type of brake oil used for your car. Can a different type of brake oil to be used and why? So my car used .4 brake fluid, which is suitable for most modern braking system. We should not use a different type of brake fluid unless it is compatible, because different types have different chemical properties and boiling points. For example, .3 and .4 can be mixed since they are both glycol based, but mixing them with .5, which is silicone, can cause a brake failure, corrosion and damage to the braking system. Therefore, it is important to always use the brake fluid type recommended by the manufacturer.
Name hydraulic tube that are connected to the master cylinder and where all the tubes are connected. The hydraulic tube connected to the master cylinder are known brake lines. The brake lines are responsible for carrying the brake fluid pressure from the master cylinder to each wheel brake caliper. When the brake pedal is pressed, the fluid inside the brake line transmits the force evenly to all the caliper, allowing the brake pad to clamp into the rotor and slow down the vehicle efficiency. What is the function of diaphragm? Controlling fluid level. A flexible diaphragm in a novated master cylinder reservoir adjusts the volume to accommodate change the fluid level. Sealing a front brake pump braking fluid reservoir can be sealed by a diaphragm. Maintenance pressure is help maintain a slight negative pressure within the reservoir, ensuring the brake fluid stay in the system and does not leak out. Conclusion. In conclusion, after completing this lab, we gathered a better understanding of the master cylinder and its components in detail. Furthermore, we learned how to inspect and test the master cylinder part effectively. For instance, by measuring the push rod length, we can determine the amount of force transferred within the braking system, ensuring proper brake performance and safety. Thank you.